Welcome to English grammar class, dear students. So I shall proceed with today's lesson shortly after taking the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. A promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. A promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. So dear students, we are reading chapter number 40, descriptive composition, and today we are going to discuss the fourth topic of descriptive composition, which is describe a place either of natural beauty or of historical importance to which you take your pen friend to whom you wish to provide with an interesting and memorable impression. So in this composition you can describe about any place which is having natural beauty or it's having historical importance. So for this, please open up today's written assignments. So we have chosen Rajasthan as a place because it offers both the scenes of natural beauty and also it has historical importance. So let's proceed. Rajasthan is a land where colors, the desert, forts, camels, traditional food and folk music conspire to make a traveler its own. So Rajasthan is a place which is having all of these things to offer to the traveler. The only factor that might be holding people back from visiting it is the hot climate, which is not a problem in January and other winter months. So the only problem that Rajasthan has is its hot climate, and we can only visit this state in winter months. Now Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, has been a hub of tourism for the last so many years, and why not? Very few cities in India can match the Pink City for its sheer opulence and rich heritage. So the most famous place to visit in Rajasthan is Jaipur, and it is known as Pink City, and none of the other cities in India can match it because it has so many things to offer to the tourist. It has this sheer opulence. Opulence means the luxurious and rich heritage, which is attracting the tourists to visit this city. The best season to visit the place is October or November, when the weather is comfortably pleasant. So we can visit this city only in October and November months. So encircled by the rugged Aravalli Hills, the city offers many a scope of picturesque viewing. So this place has rugged Aravalli Hills. Rugged means uneven, the surface which is uneven. So uneven hills. And also it provides us visually attractive views. The beautiful Jal Mahal, the summer palace of erstwhile Maharajas, placed in the center of the fabulous lake, shimmering in the morning sunlight, offers a fairyland experience. So erstwhile means the former Maharajas, the former kings, the people who used to be the king of that place. So it has the Jal Mahal, the beautiful Jal Mahal, we can see it there, and also it has fabulous lake. So all of these things are there for the tourists to visit. As you go further into the city, you are greeted with the world famous Hawa Mahal. So Hawa Mahal is world famous and it is also in this city. Its rose pink color, lattice work, windows and mandana work make it a unique work of architecture. So there is lattice work. Lattice work means framework or design. Mandana work is the traditional artwork. Now at the heart of the city, there is a sprawling garden called Ram Nivas Bagh. Sprawling means spreading out in a large area in irregular ways. So there is a large garden spreading everywhere in irregular way at the heart of the city. And it is known as Ram Nivas Bagh. Albert Museum shines like a jewel right in the center of the garden. and in the center of the garden there is Albert Museum. So Jaipur Zoo and Aviary are situated in the garden itself. Aviary means a large building or a cage for birds. So there is a zoo and aviary which are in the garden, offering a delightful time for the children as well as adults. So both the children and adults like to visit the zoo and aviary. All in all, if you are planning for a trip that can give you tradition and modernity on a platter, there is no better place than Jaipur. So Jaipur offers both traditional and modern views. So we should visit Jaipur. So that's all for today, students. All the best.